Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2004 Hot Wheels. Today we have number 148 of 2004, and it's the Demonition, the evil twin. Actually, Demonition is the series, and it is the evil twin. Sorry about that. See no, hear no, speak no. Evil, that is. Let's see what this thing is made of. Cool logo. There's the other ones you can get. Oh, I've actually got a few of them. That's my favorite, the Griffin. It's gold. Alright, 2004 Evil Twin from the Demonition series. Number 148. So this guy got a protector too. A little extra protection. Ooh, all that top is metal. A little distracted there. A woodpecker behind me. Evil Twin made in Thailand. With a plastic bottom. 2 rivets. And this is a low rider for sure. Is it a straight rider? It is a straight rider. Cool. Let's see how it rolls on the track. Oh! See that from the other angle. Yeah, it's a flipper. I'm liking this. Let's see if we can get this really fast. Not as cool. Oh, it did a top spin. That would be too cool if I could get it to... Oh, at least landed upright. Not on the track, but it landed upright. Nice drifting ability. You know what? This ain't a bad car. The dark metallic blue. And this was ugly in the package to me. Hate the name. But it has a really nice blue paint job. Thank you everybody that tuned in to watch. It is going to go into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. And I did not think it would either. I really didn't think I was going to keep this guy. Whoa, smashola. T10 out.